Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, in previous video, we have seen the how do we convert the sheet metal drawing into proper final drawing format with suitable dimensions. Okay, and now next, I would like to make some points in that, like how we can add the leaders, next datums and tolerances. Okay, and how to annotate that drawing. Okay, so this video is based on that video. So if you have not seen my previous video, so you can get in this video description all the links of my previous video. Okay, so kindly watch that and subscribe the channel. So focus on this today's topic, get started. And we have took this new file. Now start from this planer, click on this front plane and click on the sketch view. Take the center rectangle from ribbon and draw it from the center of this of any dimension. Click on OK. Primary already generated with thickness of 1 millimeter. I would like to make it 10 millimeters. Put over there and press enter. Click on green tick mark. Primary already generated. Next, click on this flange, and here zoom this side, and you can see there are two edges here. This is upside, this is downside. So click on this downside edge. One flange is generated over here, and I would like to make through all the edges, all the remaining edges simultaneously. So for doing this, click on this placement and click on the detail, and next from reference click on this rule based, and here you can choose these rules. Like I would like to make on through complete look, so click on complete loop, click on OK. So system will generate complete loop of this flange, and I can modify simultaneously. I can adjust the height also like this. Now click on this green tick mark. Our object is now ready for performing which this flat pattern. Okay, so click on this flat pattern. System is showing preview of this, what will be it will look like. Now click on this green tick mark. Okay, now this is in flat form. And next, now I have to make the drawing details for this. So just click on this file, take this new and click on the drawing and untick this and click on OK. And from here new window will be appeared in front of you, and we have to keep this size in the standard size C only and click on OK. And after that, one new window is open here. Okay, this is the sheet 1. Now click on the general view and click on the default all and click on do not bound for combined state and click OK. Okay, and next we have to click your cursor over here. Your object is generated or appears here. First of all, I would like to make it front view or show the front view. So click on front view and click on apply. Next click on OK. Here for front view generated, and click on this. You are not able to move this object to downside. Okay, so for doing that one, just right click on this. Here you can see lock view movement. Click on this. Now you are able to, or you will be able to move this drawing like this. Okay, now this is my front view and dimension also generated. Okay, and click again on this drawing, and here there is option projection view. Click on this. I would like to make the top view of this on this side. So here the top is generated. Okay, and next click aside. Again click on this and click on this projection view, and this is the side view, right side view. Okay, and next go here, daytime display filters, and select all. Okay, and click aside. Here you can see. Now we will focus on the today's topic. What is that? How to get or how to give the tolerances. So for doing that, here is one, in this ribbon you can see there is one group, annotate. Click on this annotate and click on the dimension. Okay, before doing this, cancel this. We have missed one. We have to made this in the proper drawing format. Okay, so click on this again and edit this. Drawing view will be appear here, and for changing display, click on view display, and in display style make the display style as a no hidden, and in tangent edges display make it as a phantom, and apply and okay. Okay, now it is very good to understand this. Again click on the dimension. So if I wanted the dimension, so click on the dimension. Here dimension generated, and you can adjust over here by pressing cursor like this, and okay, the dimension is also generated. Click on cancel. Click on this dimension and you can adjust this position or location of the dimension like this. Okay, and if you wanted to delete any one dimension, so you can delete also. And now focus on this. Here is one command, geometric tolerance. Click on geometric tolerances. Okay, so here the symbol for geometric tolerances is created. If in customer drawing it is mentioned the geometric tolerances of a specific value, so you can give like this. Click on this edge. Okay, and next locate this up to like this. Okay, click the cursor. Now here the tolerance is generated. This symbol is of position, it indicates the position. Okay, and here is the value in millimeters, 0.02 millimeters. And next you can put the value in this. Okay, as per drawing. Next click again on this annotate, and next what is next? This datum feature symbol. Okay, so we can also give the datums also, primary datum and secondary datums for showing the tolerances. Okay, just click on this and put over here on which edge you wanted to put. Okay, like this. Now this A indicates the primary datum, so you can put again more than you can put the datums according to your drawing also. Okay, I will just show you how to put and where you can get these options. Okay, now this is about tolerance, datums, and what is the meaning leaders. Okay, so the leaders you can get over here. Click on the node. Here is the leader node. Okay, now next click on this edge, and over here the leader is generated, and adjust the location of that like this, not like this. Click, first of all click on this edge, and next click on your cursor, so it will take the direction according to that edge. Okay, and in this leader you can type different symbols, like if I wanted to put plus or minus sign or different types of symbols over here, so I can put like this and choose the any one symbol. Here are different types of symbols. Diameter symbol is also there. Okay, this is plus minus and diameter symbol you can see. we have to find the dimension symbol, diameter symbol. Here is the diameter symbol. Here there are different types of diameter you can give over here. Okay, so this video was about how to give the leaders and datums and tolerances. Okay, and there are one more options here, like different types of symbol also is there, you can put over there. Okay, thank you very much friends for watching this video. In this video you can learn only these 3 things, and next things we will see in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.